Correct answer C. Improving accuracy and efficiency in image interpretation. Explanation of the correct option. The paragraph clearly states, AI algorithms, particularly deep learning models, are being developed to assist radiologists in image interpretation, potentially improving accuracy and efficiency. This directly supports option C, indicating that one of the main potential impacts of AI in diagnostic radiology is to enhance the accuracy and efficiency with which radiologists interpret medical images. Explanation of the incorrect options. A. Eliminating the need for human radiologists. This is incorrect. The paragraph says AI is being developed to assist radiologists, not replace them. There's no suggestion that radiologists will no longer be needed. B. Replacing traditional imaging modalities. Incorrect. The paragraph talks about AI helping with interpretation of images, not replacing imaging technologies like X-rays, CT scans, or MRIs. D. Reducing the cost of radiology services. Incorrect. The paragraph does not mention cost at all, so there's no evidence that AI will reduce the cost of radiology services. Correct answer, D. The lack of diverse datasets. The second paragraph clearly emphasizes that. An ongoing issue in AI development is the absence of sufficiently large, diverse, and high-quality datasets. AI models trained primarily on Caucasian populations may fail to perform accurately across different ethnic groups. This directly supports option D, which identifies the lack of diverse datasets as a key concern in training AI models. The concern is that biases in training data can lead to inaccurate results and exacerbate health disparities. Explanation of the incorrect options. A. The complexity of AI algorithms. Incorrect. The paragraph does not mention anything about how complex AI algorithms are or any concerns related to that complexity. B. The lack of radiologist involvement. Incorrect. While a radiologist, Dr. Sarah Chen, is quoted, the paragraph does not suggest that radiologist involvement is lacking or a concern in AI model training. C. The cost of training AI models. Incorrect. There's no mention of cost as a concern in this paragraph. Correct answer. C. AI systems lack transparency in decision-making. The paragraph emphasizes the black box nature of deep learning models, meaning they are opaque and difficult to interpret. These models are complex and opaque, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. This lack of transparency can erode trust among radiologists and clinicians. Dr. David Lee further reinforces this by saying, if a radiologist doesn't understand why an AI system flagged a particular finding, they are unlikely to trust its judgment. This clearly identifies a lack of transparency in AI decision-making as a primary issue, making option C the correct answer. Explanation of the incorrect options. A. Radiologists are over-reliant on AI findings. Incorrect. The paragraph says radiologists may not trust AI findings due to lack of transparency, not that they rely too much on them. B. AI systems are too expensive to implement. Incorrect. There's no mention of cost or implementation expenses in the paragraph. D. AI systems are unable to handle complex images. Incorrect. The paragraph discusses decision-making transparency, not any limitation in processing or handling complex images. Correct answer B. Many radiology departments lack the necessary infrastructure and expertise. The paragraph states, many radiology departments lack the necessary infrastructure, expertise, and resources to implement and maintain AI systems effectively. This directly supports option B, identifying the lack of infrastructure and expertise as a practical hurdle to integrating AI into radiology workflows. Explanation of the incorrect options. AI systems are incompatible with current imaging modalities. Incorrect. The paragraph mentions interoperability is essential, but it does not state that systems are currently incompatible. It suggests this is a consideration, not an existing hurdle. C. AI systems require frequent updates and maintenance. Incorrect. The paragraph does not mention anything about the frequency of updates or maintenance. D. Radiologists are resistant to using AI technology. Incorrect. There is no mention of resistance from radiologists in this paragraph. The focus is on infrastructure and logistical issues. Correct answer, B. Lung nodules and breast cancer. The paragraph explicitly states, early studies have shown promising results, with AI systems achieving comparable or even superior performance to human radiologists in detecting certain abnormalities, such as lung nodules and breast cancer. This clearly supports option B as the correct answer. These two conditions are specifically named as examples of abnormalities where AI systems are performing well. Explanation of the incorrect options: A. Brain aneurysms and spinal injuries. Incorrect. These are not mentioned in the paragraph at all. C. Bone fractures and joint dislocations. Incorrect. Also not mentioned anywhere in the paragraph. D. Liver tumors and kidney stones. Incorrect. These conditions are likewise not referenced in the paragraph. Correct answer, B. Exacerbation of existing health disparities. The paragraph clearly states, AI models trained on predominantly Caucasian populations may not perform well on patients from other ethnic backgrounds, potentially exacerbating existing health disparities. This quote from Dr. Sarah Chen directly supports option B as the correct answer. The concern is that biased or non-representative data may cause AI to underperform for certain groups, which would worsen already existing inequities in healthcare. Explanation of the incorrect options. A. Decreased efficiency in image interpretation. Incorrect. The paragraph mentions inaccuracy and unreliable results, but not specifically a decrease in efficiency. C. Increased cost of radiology services. Incorrect. There is no mention of cost or financial impact in this paragraph. D. Reduced accuracy in detecting all abnormalities. Incorrect. The paragraph focuses on inaccuracy for underrepresented ethnic groups, not a universal reduction in accuracy across all cases or abnormalities. Correct answer. C. Explainable AI XAI. The paragraph clearly states, Explainable AI XAI is an emerging field focused on developing AI systems that provide insights into their decision-making processes. This directly answers the question. XAI is identified as the field that aims to make AI decisions more transparent and understandable, which addresses the issue of AI's black box nature. Explanation of the incorrect options. A. Deep learning. Incorrect. The paragraph mentions deep learning as the source of the transparency issue, not the solution. B. Machine learning. Incorrect. While XAI is related to machine learning, the paragraph doesn't identify machine learning as the field focused on improving transparency. D. Neural networks. Incorrect. Neural networks are a type of deep learning model. Again, part of the problem, not the emerging solution. Correct answer. A. Compatibility with current imaging modalities and EHR systems. The paragraph states, interoperability with current imaging modalities and electronic health record (EHR) systems is also essential. This means that for AI systems to be effectively integrated into radiology workflows, they must work seamlessly with existing imaging tools and EHR systems, making option A the correct choice. Explanation of the incorrect options. B. Use of open source software. Incorrect. The paragraph does not mention open source software at all. C. Cloud-based AI platforms. Incorrect. There is no reference to cloud-based systems or their role in interoperability. D. Wireless connectivity in radiology departments. Incorrect. Wireless connectivity is not mentioned or discussed in the paragraph as a requirement for interoperability.